What's up guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the background of a video using Higgsfield AI. If you want to place your subject in a completely different environment without using complicated editing software, this feature makes the process quick and easy. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open Higgsfield AI and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click the Video tab at the top of the screen. Next, select Kling 1.0 Edit. This is one of the easiest tools for editing existing videos and replacing backgrounds using AI. Now, it's time to upload your video. Click the Upload button, choose the video you want to edit, and wait for it to finish uploading. If prompted, select the portion of the clip you want to use. For example, you can choose the first 10 seconds if you're only testing the feature. After uploading your video, you'll also need to upload the image you'd like to use as the new background. Click Upload Image. Select your preferred background from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. This image will be used by the AI to replace the original background in your video. Once both files are ready, go to the prompt box, and the simple prompt usually works for the best. For example, you can type replace background of video 1 with image 1. This tells Higgsfield AI to keep the main subject from your video while replacing the existing background with the image you uploaded. Before generating the final result, take a moment to review your settings. You can change the output resolution, choose the aspect ratio, adjust the duration, or leave the settings on auto if you're unsure which options to use. Selecting the correct settings help ensure your finished videos looks its best on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. When everything is ready, click Generate. The AI will begin processing your video, which may take a few minutes depending on the video length and current server activity. Once the generation is complete, preview the result. If everything went well, you'll see that the original background has been replaced while the main subject remains in place. If the result isn't exactly what you wanted, try using a different background or adjusting your prompt to give an AI clearer instructions. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background of a video using Higgsfield AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.